Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to claim cash or free stock when using the AJ Bell Invite program in the UK. It's a really simple process, and I'll break it down step by step. First, you'll need an invite link. This link is unique, so make sure you use the one shared with you by a friend or family member who already has an AJ Bell account. Without this link, you won't be able to claim the bonus. Next, click the invite link and sign up for a new AJ Bell investing account. During registration, you'll need to provide your personal details and complete the identity verification process, which is required by UK regulations. After your account is set up, the important part is funding it. You'll need to deposit the minimum amount required for the promotion. This can vary, but make sure you check the current terms so you don't miss out. Once your deposit is confirmed and you've met any other conditions, AJ Bell will reward you, depending on the current offer. This could be a cash bonus paid into your account or free stock added directly to your portfolio. And that's it. You've successfully claimed your AJ Bell Invite reward in the UK. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more investing tips, and drop a comment letting me know if you went for the cash or the free stock. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to easily set up a VPN on your iPhone. Don't worry, it's super simple and only takes a few minutes. The easiest way is by using a third-party VPN app. Some of the most popular options are NordVPN, Surfshark, ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, Private Internet Access, IPVanish, and ProtonVPN. For this tutorial, I'll use NordVPN as an example, but the steps are pretty similar for most providers. Step 1. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for your VPN provider. For example, type in NordVPN and download the app. Step 2. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on Login. You'll need your VPN account details here. So make sure you've already signed up for a subscription. Step 3. After logging in, just tap Quick Connect to automatically connect to the best server available. Step 4. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to add the VPN configuration to your iPhone. Tap Allow. Then enter your passcode or Face ID to confirm. Step 5. Once connected, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, you can also connect to specialty servers or even set up the VPN on other devices. And Step 6. If you want more control, go to Settings in the app to change your default protocol. Enable the kill switch or adjust advanced features, and that's it. Your iPhone is now protected with a VPN. Super quick, super easy. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment telling me which VPN app you're using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to withdraw money from your eToro account. If you've been trading and now want to cash out some of your profits, here's exactly how to do it. First, log into your eToro account and look at the left-hand menu. Click on Withdraw Funds. Next, you'll see the withdrawal screen. Here, just enter the amount you'd like to withdraw in USD. Now, fill out the electronic withdrawal form with the required details. Once everything looks good, hit Submit to send your request. A couple of important things to keep in mind. You can only withdraw money that's in your available balance. That means funds that are tied up in open positions can't be withdrawn. Also, if you've received any referral bonuses, make sure you've met all the terms and conditions, because sometimes those bonus amounts can't be withdrawn right away, usually for about 30 days. And finally, always double-check that you've met all the qualifying criteria for any promotions or bonuses before withdrawing. That's it. Really straightforward. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and drop a comment below if you've already tried withdrawing from eToro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and apply eToro promo codes when signing up, so you can unlock bonuses or special offers right from the start. First, let's talk about finding promo codes. eToro doesn't always share them publicly on their main site, but you can usually find them through eToro's official promotions page, email newsletters, or referral campaigns where existing users share their invite link. Sometimes affiliates and partners also provide limited-time promo codes, so it's worth checking those out. Once you've got a valid code, head over to the eToro sign-up page. Fill in your basic details to create your new account. Registration or deposit process, you'll see an option to enter a promo code. Type in the code exactly as it was given to you, no extra spaces or characters, and confirm. After that, you just need to complete the usual steps. Verify your account, make your first deposit, and meet any requirements outlined in the promotion. Once everything checks out, your bonus, whether it's free cash, trading credits, or other rewards, will be credited to your account. A quick tip, always read the terms and conditions, because promos can vary by region, deposit amount, or account type. And that's it. Super simple. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe for more finance and investing tutorials, and drop a comment if you've ever used an eToro promo code before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, welcome back! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to check if your eToro referral reward has been credited to your account. First, log into your eToro account. Once you're in, go to your portfolio. At the top menu, click on My Portfolio, and then choose History. From the History screen, select Account Statement to see your full transaction history. Now, scroll through and look for entries labeled Promotion or Airdrop. That's where you'll see your referral reward. A couple of important things to know. Referral rewards don't appear instantly. Your friend needs to fully complete the requirements first. That usually means verifying their account and making their first deposit. After that, it can take a few days, sometimes up to 15 days, for the bonus to show in your account. Also keep in mind, referral bonuses aren't always available to every user, and each offer has its own terms and conditions. So make sure you check the details of the promotion you're using. And that's it, quick and easy. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides on eToro and investing apps, and drop a comment if you've successfully received your referral bonus. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use copy portfolios on eToro, so you can start earning passively without having to pick every stock or asset yourself. So, what are copy portfolios? They're basically ready-made long-term investment strategies created by eToro. Instead of copying one single trader, you're copying a diversified portfolio which can include stocks, ETFs, or even groups of top investors. It's like getting a managed fund, but directly in your eToro account. Here's how to get started. First, log into your eToro account and head to the Discover tab. Scroll down until you see Copy Portfolios. Next, browse through the available portfolios. Each one shows you what it invests in, past performance, risk score, and minimum investment. When you find one you like, click on it, hit the Invest button, and choose how much you want to put in. Just remember, the minimum investment for copy portfolios is usually higher than for regular trades, often around $500 or more. Once you confirm, eToro will automatically copy that portfolio for you. The best part? It's completely handled. The portfolio gets rebalanced by eToro's investment team, so you don't need to do anything. And that's it. You're now investing passively with copy portfolios. Quick reminder though, all investing carries risk, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results, so only invest what you can afford to lose. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more investing tips, and drop a comment if you're planning to try copy portfolios. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, welcome back! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use the eToro demo account, also known as the virtual portfolio. This is a great way to practice trading without risking any real money, and it's perfect. If you're just starting out, first, head over to the eToro website and create your free account by entering your username, email, and password. Once you've done that, check your inbox for the confirmation email. Verify your account, and then log in to the platform. When you're inside your account, scroll down the left-hand menu. At the bottom right under your username, you'll see an option that says Switch to Virtual. Click on that and you'll instantly be taken into your virtual portfolio. Now here's the exciting part. eToro gives you $100,000 in virtual funds to practice with. This means you can start trading in a risk-free environment, test out strategies, experiment with leverage, or even try the copy trader feature, all without worrying about losing money. The demo account mirrors real market conditions, so the prices and charts you see are exactly what's happening in the live market. And whenever you're ready, you can easily switch back and forth between your demo and real accounts. Nothing is restricted, so you can experience the full platform while you practice. So if you're looking for a safe way to learn trading, or just want to build confidence before investing real cash, the eToro demo account is the perfect starting point. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more trading tips, and drop a comment below if you've already started testing out strategies in demo mode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, welcome back! In today's video, I'll show you how to activate two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on your eToro account. Adding 2FA is one of the easiest ways to keep your account safe and secure, so let's get started. Before you begin, make sure that you have an active and verified phone number linked to your eToro account. Once that's set, go to your account settings. If you're on the web version, click on the settings icon in the left-hand menu and then select account. If you're using the mobile app, tap on the menu at the top of the screen, then tap on settings and go into the account section. Inside the account settings, scroll down to the security section. Here you'll see the option to turn on two-factor authentication. Simply toggle the switch, and eToro will send a verification code to your registered mobile number via SMS. Enter that code. Click apply. And that's it. Your 2FA is now active. From now on, every time you log in, you'll need to enter both your password and the SMS code, giving you an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access, so don't wait. Take a minute to turn it on and make your account more secure. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop a comment if you've already enabled the FA on your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to set a stop loss or take profit on eToro so you can manage your trades more effectively. First, open the eToro app and head over to your portfolio. Here, you'll see all of your open positions. Tap on the specific trade you want to manage, and this will bring up the Edit Trade window. Now, look for the stop loss or take profit options. If you don't already have one set, you'll see the option to add a stop loss or take profit. Just tap on Set SL or Set TOP. If you already have one in place, you'll see the current setting, and you can simply click it to edit. Next, you'll need to choose how you want to set it. You can either set it by amount, which is the dollar value of profit or loss you want to target, or by rate, which is the specific price point where the order should trigger. Enter your chosen figure, double-check everything, and then tap Update to save your new stop loss or take profit, and that's it. You've just set up automatic risk management on your trade. This way, you don't have to constantly monitor the markets. Your stop loss and take profit will handle it for you. If you found this video useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more eToro tips, and let me know in the comments if you already use stop loss or take profit in your trades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to open a paper trading account on Interactive Brokers so you can practice trading with zero risk. First, log into your client portal on the Interactive Brokers website. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and click on the profile icon. From there, select Manage Account. On the next page, scroll down until you see an option called Paper Trading Account. It has a little gear icon next to it. Go ahead and click on that dot. Now you'll be guided through the setup process. You'll need to create a username and password specifically for your paper trading account. Once you save those details, your paper trading account will be activated, and you'll get access right away. From there, you can start practicing trades in real market conditions, but without risking any real money. It's the perfect way to get familiar with Interactive Brokers before going live. That's it. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more trading tutorials, and drop a comment if you're already using the paper trading feature on IBKR. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of changing your date of birth on your Microsoft account. This is really useful if you accidentally entered the wrong birthday when you first created your account, or if you just need to update it to reflect the correct details. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and head over to account.microsoft.com. Go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft login, details your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see a tab called Your Info. Click on that. This section is basically where Microsoft stores your personal details, like your name, profile picture, and yes, your date of birth. Now, scroll down until you find the option to edit your date of birth. Once you click on it, Microsoft may ask you to verify your identity before letting you make changes. Don't worry, that's just a standard security step. You might get an email verification code or a prompt to confirm via text message if you have a phone number linked. Just enter the code and you'll be good to go. After verification, you'll see the fields where your current date of birth is stored. All you need to do here is update it to the correct date. Double check to make sure the information is accurate, especially the year, because this can affect things like account permissions, parental controls, or age-restricted content on your account. Once you've entered the correct date of birth, go ahead and hit save. That's it. The change will be applied immediately. From now on, your Microsoft account will show the updated date of birth across all services, including Outlook, Xbox, Skype, and any other apps linked to your account. So, there you have it, a quick but detailed walkthrough on how to change your date of birth on your Microsoft account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover any other Microsoft tips or tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.